Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, and a very good morning to you all. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying e-learning. You all know I am your maths teacher Sadia Ahad. I welcome you all into today's lecture. First, we will quickly take a review of the previous lectures. In lecture number 1, you people learned to find the place value of ring digit number, how to read and write numbers in words, and to write a number in expanded form. In second lecture, you studied ascending and descending order, predecessor and successor, and addition and subtraction up to 8-digit numbers. In last lecture, you people learned greatest and smallest up to 8-digit number, word problems of addition and subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers up to 6 digits by 10, 100 and 1000. Now today, my dear students, you will learn multiplication and division of numbers up to 6 digits. Alright students, now we will multiply 6-digit numbers by a 2-digit and a 3-digit number. First tell me, what does multiplication means? Multiplication is defined as to calculating the result of repeated addition of numbers. Here are the parts of a multiplication sentence, which are: number 1 is multiplicand, a number that is to be multiplied by another number, that is called multiplicand. And the number 2 is multiplier, the number by which another number is multiplied. And lastly, the result or the answer of multiplication sums are called product. Always remember that when a number is multiplied by 1, the answer and the results remain the same. Here we have an example, that is, if we multiply 56,864 by 1, we get the same number, 56,864. And when a number is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. Here is the example. In the given example, the number 567,864 is multiplied by 0, and where we get 0 as the answer. Here is first example of multiplication. Now we will multiply 6-digit number by 2 digits number. Multiply 673,452 by 98. First write the multiplicand. The multiplicand is 673,452, and then multiply it by 98. That is multiplier. We always start with the units digit of the bottom of the number. The multiplier multiplied with the multiplicand of units place. Now multiply it by the last digit in the top of the number. Write the answer below the line. Now first multiply 8 2 times, then we get 16. And if the answer is greater than 9, write the units place as the answer and carries the tens digit and proceed from right to left. When you have multiplied the ones digit by every digit in the top number, move to the tens digit in the bottom number. Multiply as above, but this time write your answer in a new row, shifting one digit and placing to the left and placing a cross in units place, because we have moved on tens place. When you finish multiplying, draw another line below your last row of your answer numbers. And lastly, use long addition to add your number columns from right to left and carrying as you normally do for long addition. So the answer is 65,998,296. That is called product. Here is another example of multiplication. Now we will multiply 6-digit number by 3 digits number. Multiply 760,934 by 521. First write the multiplicand, that is 760,934, and then multiply it by 521, that is multiplier. We always start with the units digit of the bottom of the number, the multiplier. Now multiply it by the last digit in the top of the number and write the answer below the line. Now first multiply 4 once time, then we get 4. Proceed with the same method from right to left. Now you have multiplied the ones digit by every digit. In the top number, and move the tens digit in the bottom number. Multiply as above, but this time write your answer in a new row, shifting one digit to the left and placing a cross in units place, because we moved on tens place. Now you have to multiply the 2 digits by every digit in the top number and move to the 100 place at the bottom. In a new row, shifting one digit and place to the left and placing a cross in tens place, because we moved on hundreds place. When you finishing multiplying, draw another answer line below your last row of answer numbers. Lastly, use long addition to add your number columns from right to left and carrying as you normally would for long addition. So answer is 396,446,614. That is called product. Now my dear students, here we will learn division of numbers up to 6 digits by a 2 digits and 3 digits number. So what is division? Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic, which gives a fair result of sharing. Here are some special names for each character in division. That is, number one is dividend. The dividend is the number that is being divided in the division process. And the number by which dividend is being divided by is called divisor. And the third one is quotient, which is the result obtained in a division process. And last but not least, the amount left over in division sum is called remainder. Here is an example number 1, that is 6 digit is divided by 3 digits. The number 322,168 is divided by 236. First, write the rougher column which helps to divide the given number. Now first write the sign of division. After that, write the divisor 236 outside of the sign. Then write dividend 322,168 inside. Then start from your left hand side. Now what comes nearest to 322 in 236 times table? So write 236 below the number of the number 322 and then subtract as you normally do in subtraction sums. Now we get 86. After that, in the next step, carry down 1. Now divide 861 by 236. Now look at the rougher column. So does 861 come into 36 times table? No, we don't have 861 in 236 time table, but we have 236 3 times 708, which is lesser than 861. So now subtract it and then follow the same method in next two steps. But here 28 is left. This is called remainder. And 1365 is the answer and is called quotient. Now here is another example number 2, that is 643,418 is divided by 245. So first write the table in rougher column of 245 times. It helps to divide the given number. Now first write the sign of division like this, then write the divisor, which is 245 and outside of the sign, and 643,418 as dividend inside of the sign. Then now divide the number 643 by 245. Start from your left hand side. Now what comes nearest to 643 in 245 times table. So 490 comes in 2 times, so write 490 below the number 643 and then subtract as you normally do in subtraction sums. Now we get 153. After that, in the next step, carry down 4 down and now divide 1534 by 245. Now look at the rougher column. So when 1535 comes in 245 timetables, now we don't get 1534 in 245 times table, but we have 245 6 times 1470, which is smaller than 1534. Now subtract it and then follow the same method in next two steps, but here is 480 is left, that is called remainder, and 2626 is the answer and is called quotient. Alright, my dear students, I hope you understand the concept of multiplication and division up to 6-digit number. This is end of the lecture for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. Have faith in your dreams always, as only then you can reach your destination. Till then, take care of yourself and remember that practice makes perfect, so practice more and more as you can. Allah Hafiz.